This question is from class 11th textbook, chapter Cell, the fundamental unit of life. Question 146, NEET 2024. The DNA present in chloroplast is, so chloroplast is actually a primitive organism, free living organism, primitive. So it is a prokaryote. It's a prokaryote. And by endosymbiotic theory, it started living inside eukaryotic cell. So prokaryotes have circular DNA. The DNA will be circular double-stranded DNA. And what else is unique in chloroplast? They have 70S ribosomes. So usually eukaryotes have 80S ribosomes. They have 70S. So these are the indication that they were actually prokaryotes that started endosymbiosis, living inside eukaryotic cells. So the answer to this question would be circular double-stranded DNA. Linear double-stranded, circular double-stranded. This is wrong. This is wrong. Circular single-stranded, wrong. So yes, option 2 is the right answer of this question. Thank you so much for watching this video.